Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Reddit app and you will click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.